my best guesses on Google Maps in 1 second, but the image is black and white, inverted, and scrambled. Wait, that's that town over here. Adamstown, right? Oh, the Pitcairn Islands. I went the wrong one. Okay, we'll take it. Kenya? Mombasa, maybe? Wow. Denmark? Wow. Nice. That's just Japan. I'm gonna go down here. Wow. Turkey? Nice. Oh my god.